How to use our Tapley EBM Brake Tester. Throughout this tutorial, please keep an eye on the two following things. The Tapley screen will change and will be indicated like so. Any button press or hold to be followed by you will be indicated like so. Now, let's learn how to use the Tapley EBM. Press and hold the power button until SBR is shown on screen. Press the power button to cycle between the two tests. This is your main menu. To start a service brake test, press and hold the power button when SBR is displayed. The Tapley will now show the last test reading, but since ours is new, it displays 000. Press the power button again to get to the level meter. This is the level function, ensuring the Tapley is on a level surface. The current display confirms its level. If the Tapley isn't level, the screen will indicate it as it's moved around. When the Tapley shows its level in the vehicle's passenger footwell, press the power button again. We're ready to test. Accelerate and decelerate the vehicle to get a reading. You will now have a service brake (SBR) reading on your Tapley. Press the power button to go back to the main menu. The same process is repeated for the hand brake test (HBR). You've reached the end of our Tapley brake tester tutorial. Thanks for watching.